Hello my dear friends, welcome back. We are discussing about the muscles of the hand, right? So in that we have discussed about thenar region muscles, hypothenar region muscles, palmar anterossi, dorsal anterossi, and then the last group of muscles in your hand are the lumbricals. What are the muscles? Lumbricals. Lumbrical means lumbricidi. Lumbricidi comes from Latin word which means earthworm. They are worm-like muscles, right? You can see here they are 10 long muscles which are present in your hand. So look, the lumbrical muscles which get their name due to their worm-like appearance are 4 short intrinsic muscles of the hand located between the metacarpal bones deep to the palmar fascia. Deep to the palmar fascia. So here is the fascia, palmar fascia. Deep to that palmar fascia there are lumbricals. Along with dorsal anterossi and palmar anterossi, the lumbrical muscles belong to the short muscles of the hand. So they are along with the dorsal and palmar anterossi. From where do they get their origin? They get origin from tendon of flexure digitorum profunda muscle. Flexure digitorum profunda. This is the origin point for these muscles. Flexure digitorum profunda. Here is the muscle. Flexure digitorum profunda. So that's why. And they insert into the extensor expansion of the hand. Extensor expansions of the hand. So extensor means like this, right? So extensor expansions of the hand. So these muscles are here, right? What is their action? At metacarpophalangeal joint 2 and 3, they have cause and finger flexion. They help in finger flexion and also finger extension. So finger flexion and fingers extension. I'm sorry. And about the blood supply, they are supplied by dorsal carpal arch, superficial palmar arch. Okay, so these two arches are very important which supply blood to these lumbricals. And their innervation, the lumbricals 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2, there are 4. 1 and 2 are supplied by median nerve, and 3 and 4 is supplied by ulnar nerve. This can be the MCQs for you guys. Okay, friends. So here we are finished with the muscles of your upper limb. I hope you have understood something from all these lectures, and we have covered. Look. Muscles of upper limb, we have covered about the muscles of pectoral region, the muscles of back region, the muscles of shoulder region, the muscles of arm region, the interior compartment, posterior compartment, the muscles of forearm, the interior compartment, posterior compartment, and then the superficial and deep, and here also superficial and deep, and then the muscles of hand, thenar region, hypothenar region, palm anterossi, dorsal anterossi, and lumbricals, and done. We are finished with the muscles of the upper limb. If any one of you want the PDF of these notes of these muscles, we can provide you. I will give the WhatsApp number in the description of this video. You can text me. I will give you all those all these lectures, all these PDFs inshallah in the WhatsApp. So contact me there. And friends, it's a humble request that if you have learned something from all these videos, please share all these lectures with your friends also. We will see you in the next section that we will discuss the muscles of the lower limb. We will start there. So see you guys there. Till then, love.